Oh, cookies. Cookies. There's an emoji somewhere on the screen that looks like a cookie, and it just looks amazing. Cookies bring people together. Do you ever remember that amazing memory you have when you're with your friend, you guys are laughing, laughing, and what else are you doing? You're eating cookies. I'm actually going to invite my special guest up here. She's very special to me, a little shorter than me, which is totally fine, but she is actually my sister, Edith. Come on over here, Edith. How are you doing?
First of all, it's pronounced Eden.
See that? She got a little sass. It's okay, girl. You'll recognize whose kitchen this is.
Alright.
It's my kitchen here. You ready to make some cookies?
Yes.
Up high. Down low. Still too slow. Still too slow. So, what we're going to do is very simple. We have some Blue Bonnet butter. I only use this butter to make my cookies for certain reasons. So just don't ask any questions. This is what I use. You can find this only at Winco, or you can probably get it off Amazon. I don't know. Also matches her shirt. What you need is 2 sticks of these. Place it in a bowl. Put it in the microwave for 53 seconds. This is what you'll have. Just like that. You're gonna take your first bag of Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies. Now, I don't know if Betty Crocker owes me money or if I owe her money, because I only use this, then I double up. Because when you're with cookies, you always need friends.
Good Lord.
Eden, can you come over here and put these 2 bags of cookies into the bowl here?
Sure.
You be careful now. Now that we have our batter in the bowl, very simply put, what we're going to do is add the melted butter in here. The rest of the excess butter here, I'm going to have my good friend, little sister Eden, get a paper towel, wipe it on a paper towel, and butter the pan. While she's doing that, I'm going to be adding our secret ingredient. Jif creamy peanut butter, people. You crunchy people out there, stop it. Because if it's not creamy, how can it be dreamy? If you ask me the measurements of this, I have no clue. It's just about this much. Okay, see that? About this much. 1, 2, and just because I like peanut butter, it's a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. I didn't count that time, man. And then we're gonna mix the COVID-19. Is that correct? Would you say that?
Yes, I would say that. And it's terrible.
It's terrible. It's having you suffer mentally and usually emotionally. Internally. Why would you say that?
Because not being around people and being outside could affect us quite a lot.
Quite a lot.
Oh Lord. I think for some people they're going insane because they're not around people.
I see.
Because they love talking to others and stuff.
Wow.
And I'm not really an introvert, so I like talking to people sometimes. So.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
See that, guys? We all need each other, and each other needs us. Make a better place for you and for me. I would say partly mixed. The mix at this point. So what I'm gonna do now is wash my hands. Be back in a second. Clean hands. What we're gonna do is gonna get dirty. This is when things get real. going to mix it with my hands. Turn it in circles like this. Eden, are you watching?
Yes.
Are you watching?
Yes.
You're doing it next. Make a watch. So what we're doing here, again, I'm just kind of just twisting it just like this. And the more I do that, the more it actually comes in together. See if I can put this in, if I can present it. There's two types of people in the world. I'm gonna show you. You see this?
Okay.
First of all, when you're making a cookie, you want it to be like a giant size golf ball. Not a golf ball, not a tennis ball, a giant size golf ball. That's what you want. Say sphere.
Sphere.
No, sphere.
Sphere.
Two types of people in the world. Some people like spheres. Other people like what I call hockey pucks. What this is, you smash it, and then you do something cool. You like cup it, and you just kind of spin it. It's almost like it's almost like, what's that thing when you're on the pottery? Ceramic pottery. It's like pottery.
Oh yeah.
Right? My hand is the wheel, and you see how it's spinning, and you make a hockey puck. See that?
Yeah.
Two types of people in the world. Some people like hockey pucks. Some people like spheres. So I'm going to give you something, and you go ahead and be creative. And we're going to see if you're a sphere person or a hockey puck. Just want to put that out there. When you are making these cookies, make sure that you preheat your oven to 375. Make sure when you guys are using an oven that you have an adult nearby, just because we want to make sure that you guys are safe. Safety in Reuben's kitchen is first instruction. Hey, it's not your kitchen. You can't take the heat. Wash your hands at all times, guys. Stop. Never eat cookies without milk. Takes your breath away. Cookies are the best thing, especially with friends. And it's for friends.
I'm your sister.
She's right. We're done here. Cookies, that's good. Hey guys, Reuben here. Super excited for today. Thank you guys so much for being with us. We made some cookies. My little sister, she has now sat down to finish that simple that cookie. Hey over there, how's the cookies? Great. This is what happens when you are hanging with friends, eating cookies. Seasons for cookies. That's good enough for me. We're out of here. That's it. Cut it. Cut. We're done. We're good. I'm gonna eat some cookies. Napkins.